Hello and welcome to the channel. Are you frustrated with the audio renderer error message popping up on YouTube? Don't worry, you're not alone and I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you simple solutions to fix this issue so you can get back to watching your favorite videos without any interruptions. Let's get started. Solution 1. Reconnect your audio device. First, try reconnecting your audio device. If you're using headphones, speakers, or any external audio device, unplug it from your computer, wait for a few seconds, and then plug it back in. This quick action can reset the connection and solve minor conflicts. After reconnecting, refresh the YouTube page to check if the error is gone. This step works in many cases and is super easy to try. Solution 2. Restart your computer. Sometimes the simplest fixes are the most effective. Restarting your computer can clear temporary glitches that might be causing the error. By doing this, you're refreshing the system, which often resolves playback problems. Once your computer starts up again, head back to YouTube and see if the issue is resolved. Solution 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Your browser's cache and cookies might be the culprit. Over time, these files can build up and create playback issues. To fix this, go to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data, and select cache and cookies. After clearing them, restart your browser and try playing a YouTube video. This method can often resolve the error and improve your overall browsing experience. Solution 4. Update your audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause compatibility issues, leading to errors like this one. To update them, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controller section. Right-click your audio device, like Realtek or Intel, and select Update Driver. Choose the option to search for updates automatically. Once updated, restart your computer and check if the issue is fixed. Keeping your drivers up to date is essential for smooth audio playback. Solution 5. Roll back your audio drivers. If updating your drivers doesn't help, or if the error appeared after a recent driver update, you can roll back to a previous version. Open Device Manager, find your audio device, and go to its properties. Under the Driver tab, you'll see an option to roll back driver. Click it, and the driver will revert to an older version that might work better with YouTube. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the audio renderer error on YouTube and enjoy videos without interruptions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.